Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sewing very simple blouse with flared on the waist, and I'm using stretch material. It's only stretch on this side, not on this side. I fold into two and I bring this way. I'm going to sew zip on the back. After folding into two like this, I will bring this way to give me into four. But before I do that, I will mark where I'm going to sew zip on. From here is 2 inches. I will place this on top where I mark, not equal with the back. After placing this on top, I will measure the shoulder. I'm going to cut the shoulder and sleeve together. I have 14 inches here, which I'm going to use. From up here, I will measure from up here down 9.5 inches. Half length 16 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Waist 36 inches. 36 divided by 4 will give me 9 inches plus sewing allowance, and plus that I have 11 inches here. Where the round sleeve is, bust is 40 inches. Divide by 4 will give me 10 inches plus sewing allowance. Just like this. And I will open this place. I will use 4.5 inches for neckline, and I will cut the back with 1/2 inch. Notch the back. Front, I will place my tape on the shoulder. Down here, I'll mark 3.5 inches. Like that, I'll cut here. I'll cut the down, the flared. For the flared, I'm going to first cut the front. I fold into 2 and again into 4. This into 4. I place tape here, this place, this point here. I will mark 4.5 inches. I'll continue like this, placing my tape on the tip here, 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, and 4.5 inches. I will mark this. So 7 inches divided by 4 will give me 28 inches, which is more than enough. I'm only cutting the front of the flared. I've not cut the back yet. So I will remove 16 inches from here. Then I have 26 inches for the length of the blouse. So from here to here now is 10.5 inches. I will measure 10.5 inches all through, 10.5 inches like this, 10.5 inches, and 10.5 inches. Like this. I'll cut here and here before I cut the back. I will cut the back. I leave allowance for zip where I'm going to sew zip on. I measure from here 4 and a half inches, 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, just like the front. Or you can place the front on top. To make it easier, place the front on top. You don't need to measure and mark, just place on top like this and cut. I will join this place in this place. I'm done sewing this side and this side. What I will do now is to open this place, because I'm going to sew. This is the front. I'm going to sew here. This is the back, one side of the back. This is the front. I will place on top and sew, and then we'll place on top this side, the second one, and sew. I'll sew here and I will sew here. After finish joining the two sides here, this is it. This for the back and the front. Before I start to sew, I will cut the one I'm going to use as cape on the neck. The one to cut collar on the neck, I fold into two. I have 8.5 inches here. I will place the front, this is the front of the blouse, on top. I will cut. I will use this to measure. So I'm having 4 inches from here. I will place here 4 inches, 4 inches, and 4 inches, like this. I will use it to cut another one. Like this. I will use this to turn the neck, place on top like this, and sew this way, this side, and bring the right side out before I use it to turn the blouse neck. I'm done sewing the collar. I sew here. I also cut for the back. What I'm going to do on the back, I will hem this rough parts on the bottom. To bring it this way, I will place like this, and I will sew here. So you can also sew it like this, or the other way. Let me sew and hem the bottom of these ones, and also sew on top, just the way I sew this. I'm done sewing this for the back. And front. I will go and add that here. I will measure from here to here 4 inches, from the center to this side 4 inches. I will do the same to the back side. When I'm done doing that, I will join the shoulder. This is the shoulder. I will bring this way. I will sew the shoulder like this, and I will do the same on this side. I'm done with the sewing of the shoulder, this side and this side, the neck, this is where I'm going to sew zip on, and I finish with the darts, and also with the back side. What I will do now is to bring this way I will hem the bottom of the flared. I will sew all around. When I'm going to sew the flared on it, I will show you. But first I will go and sew the side. I will measure from shoulder down 9 inches, and I will sew the measure here. 36 inches divided by 4 will give me 9 inches, which is here. I will sew from here, and I will measure bust, and I will sew. I will do the same on this side. I will sew down the flared first before I sew zip on it, because I'm going to leave some allowance, like 3 to 4 inches allowance on the down part, that is the flared, for zip. Let me sew here and here. I'm done with sewing the two sides. The flared, I'm done. This is where I'm going to sew zip on with this place. I will place together like this and sew, and I'm going to add plaits like this. This is the center of the front. I will hold with pin. See the extra, this from here to here that is extra, I will plait on the waist. Place like this, and so from here I will start to add plaits gradually until I get here. After doing that, before I will sew zip. I'm done sewing, and I will fix zip. What I will do is to sew here, the bottom here, this place. I will sew and leave from here down here 3 inches. Then I will sew zip from here to this place. Then I will sew from here down, and this place is open. You can wear it anywhere after putting on your jeans trouser or skirt. This is the finishing, guys, with the backdrop tuber cap. I have this also in my channel. You can go and check it out. I have it already in my channel. This trending backdrop tuber cap. This is the finished look of this blouse. If you like this video, as always, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.